What's up guys, it's Greeny here. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is a full beginner's guide, a tutorial of sorts on Hyperliquid, the best exchange, decentralized exchange to be trading perps and many more crypto and other assets on chain. So this will give you full package of how to deposit, how to stake Hyperliquid, how to trade on there, and so much more. So drop a like, drop a sub, and let's dive straight in. Now, while the rest of the crypto market really bleeds, Hyperliquid broke out on a high time frame. It's really showing a lot of strength here, so this video is very imperative for you guys to get started on this platform and understand why. Now, as I said, I'm going to talk about all of the platform, the really important parts, a beginner tutorial. So make sure you bookmark this, make sure you save it, and you come back later. Now, ultimately, before we jump in, guys, if you're looking for a trading community who has consistently won in all market conditions since 2023, I'm talking perps, meme coins, spot trades. We bought Solana under $30 and sold it at $250. We bought Radium at 20 cents and sold it at over $8. That's a 40x, plus countless meme coin trades and so much more within the community. We obviously focus more on education as well, guys, not just trades. So come and check us out, okay? You can sign up down below, gtg.education. You can join us. As you can see here, wins every single day are consistently in all market conditions. And you can sign up and check out our 5-star community on the What page, or you can read more a little bit here at gtg.education. Hopefully I'll see you in the GTG community soon. Hyperliquid, it's up 900% since it launched literally only about a year ago now. And it is arguably one of the best and strongest tokens heading later into 2026 and arguably into the next bull run of 2027. Now, if you're keen to sign up, guys, you can come to below this video, okay? Scroll down, literally click this link here, okay? Hyperliquid, 4% discounted fees. Let me zoom in so it's nice and easy for you. Right there, click the link. It'll open you up like this and you'll get started. It'll say join with Greeny. Must have that code, guys. Otherwise, you do not get the 4% discount code. Alternatively, guys, you can come to my link tree via Twitter, via YouTube. Click the link here. It'll open you up like this, okay? Join GTG up the top if you like, or you just click the Hyperliquid link there as well, and that way you can access it again there. That's how you get started on the platform. Now, this is what it actually looks like when you jump in. Now, why has Hyperliquid gone absolutely crazy? I spoke about it in this video up here, guys, which I'll show you around why Hyperliquid has been going crazy more recently. They introduced an update that we call HIP3. Now, what that just means is you can now trade gold, silver, platinum, and so much more, like even stock market on Hyperliquid. So if you come to the top, okay, you'll be coming straight in here. And as you can see, I'm currently in a gold trade up nearly 2x on this trade. So I put in $5,000 and I'll show you shortly how to deposit again on this platform, even though I put in that other video. But I'm up already $240 in the last couple of days from my gold trade here. Shout out to Aussie in the GTG community for that one. But if you come and have a look here, guys, if you click up the top, it obviously has all, and that's going to be all of your different types of opportunities to trade on the platform. Perps obviously means you're using leverage. Again, if you don't know how to use leverage, if you want to learn how to use leverage as a tool, we have arguably one of the most consistent and best communities worldwide in GTG. We've got people who trade the New York, the London, the Asia session every single day, and they're there coaching you live in our Discord exclusive voice call. So highly recommend checking out our community. But if you scroll over to the side, you've got obviously spot, and that's where you can just buy spot accumulation, whether it's Hyperliquid, Ethereum, Solana, more recently Pump Fun or Farcoin, whatever it is. Okay, but if you scroll over to the side here, it says HIP3. Now, this is why we've seen such a crazy influx in revenue, but obviously price on Hyperliquid. And as you can see here, there's over $114 million of open interest on silver right now with $345 million of volume. And I mean, it's a Saturday night here in Australia, so that's crazy. Those numbers are crazy, and that is why the token has been doing so well, because 99% of the revenue made goes back into the token, okay? And that's why you have those buybacks. So anything for me, okay, probably below $30, and I really do like this play longer term. Now, obviously, as you can see, you can trade copper, you can trade Google, you can trade Amazon, Tesla, Robinhood. I mean, there's countless opportunities here. Tesla, okay, silver, gold, platinum. Okay, it's all on here, guys. HIP3, and I cannot wait to see what HIP4 or even more happens in HIP3. Again, you can have strict or you can have all over on the top corner. You just toggle that on and off, and it'll strictly, okay, remove maybe the less volatile opportunities, the less open interest. If you have obviously all, it's going to show you absolutely everything, no matter the volume size on the particular pairs. So highly recommend it. Checking it out. As I said, you can sign up down below on the link. Now, as you can see, this is what it looks like to deposit. Now, unfortunately, my camera, where it currently is, will hide this over on the side. Okay, you can see it here over on the side, but deposit and withdraw. Okay, it's very simple, very easy, and very quick. So I screenshotted it just to make it really clear for you guys. But you click the deposit link. Okay, as you can see here, I've got $5,240 currently with only 60% in unrealized P&L, and obviously my account is okay because this is completely risk-free. I've got stop loss above break even. I've taken some profit on this trade already, so there's no leverage that's really being applied to my account at all. Now, as you can see, you will see the fees of the particular token that you're on. So if you come and have a look at gold, okay, as you can see here, the fee is 0.09 and 0.03, okay? Very decent fees, in my opinion, when you have been trading. Again, it's going to change. So if we come over to perps, we go to Bitcoin, okay, which is 40x leverage. Come over to the side. Bitcoin is a bit cheaper. As you can see here, 0.045 and 0.015. So as always, do be aware of the funding fee, okay? Up in the top corner, do a little bit more research or join us in GTG to understand what that is. Or obviously do be aware of the maker and the taker fees when you're trading specific pairs. Now, as you can see, I've got my gold position. If I click the gold position down the bottom, that takes me straight back to the chart. You can turn off all these settings, which I'll show you very shortly. Whether you want to have your buy orders, you can have your limit orders. It can show you your liquidation price. It can show you your stop loss. It can show you your take profit prices. Okay, so I might even move my stop loss up a little bit higher here below this low here, because it looks like gold might be pushing towards $5,000, hopefully in the coming hours. It'll show you liquidation price like any exchange, okay? But it's very clean, guys. Very simple UI and very easy to use. Now, if we come over to the side, deposit's probably a really important aspect. So if you click the deposit link here, it's going to pop up this, okay? Now, obviously, you can deposit any type of asset. I obviously would deposit USDC or USDT, okay? They're just stable coins. They have the most liquidity and very much easy to transfer from somewhere else straight to Hyperliquid. Now, you will need to connect another wallet, whether it's Raby, whether it's MetaMask, whether it's Phantom, okay? So do be aware of that. And now the chains that you can actually deposit and withdraw on, Arbitrum, okay, or Hyper EVM. Now, I use Arbitrum, very easy L2, very cheap and very fast L2. And as you can see, I could easily deposit another $1,200 that is currently sitting in my MetaMask wallet. Up in the corner, if I just pull this open just to show you, okay, here it is. So USD $1,201 on Arbitrum chain. So very easy, as you can see. And if I wanted to withdraw, okay, I can literally click the withdrawal fee, okay, button. Choose what you want to withdraw. I'm obviously only got USD on this exchange. As you can see, it only says 5120, even though I've got more in the account. That's because it's live in a trade, so I can't withdraw that until I close that trade. As you can see, it can take about 5 minutes to withdraw, but Arbitrum, being a layer 2 on Ethereum, is really quick as well. Now, let's move on to the next thing. As you can see, I made a really nice profit on this gold trade, so shout out to the GTG community. We just cook in all market conditions, and that's what you want, okay? You want people who educate you. I have a teaching background. The traders in there have decades of experience trading more than just crypto, and that's like arguably having a community that's supportive and educational. We're building out a whole educational pathway for you and for new beginners in our community, so definitely check it out down below. Now, there's a few other parts that I want to talk about. Now, you can obviously come and check it out all yourself. You got portfolio up the top, you got earn, you got vault, you got staking, your referral system, your leaderboard, okay? And more tab will open up more opportunities to like the points ecosystem for their airdrops, okay? Stats about their on-chain liquidity, their volume, all those sorts of things. You can go and explore that at any time. The Explorer and the Testnet are up there too to check transactions on-chain if that's something that you want to do. But I'll talk about the main points that you should be aware about, okay? So staking is obviously a proof of stake. So just to reiterate what that is, as you can read here, the Hyperliquid L1 is a proof of stake blockchain where stakers delegate the native token of Hype to validate it, is therefore validating the whole blockchain, right? And you earn certain staking rewards. Stakers only receive rewards when the validator successfully participates in consensus. So stakers should only delegate to reputable and trusted validators. So as always, do your own research. Staking also implies tax and capital gains and all those sorts of things. So do be aware of the implications in your specific location as well. And I forgot to mention this earlier. Hyperliquid literally works all around the globe. That is so bullish, okay? So check it out down below. Now, obviously, do your research, guys. It gives you a little bit of a description about who these communities are and who these validators are. So, I mean, I don't do this currently, but it seems a really simple approach in a bear market to probably buy a bit of Hyperliquid. As always, not financial advice. buy a bit of Hyperliquid, probably chuck a bit of it on here and stake it at 2% yield over a long period of time, and you could be walking away with a lot of money. I mean, the way I like to think about it is Solana went from about under $25. You had ample time to get it under $30. It went up to nearly $300, and that's about a 10x in price. Arguably, Hyperliquid is, in my opinion, becoming the place to trade on chain. And I think Hyperliquid here at $32, it is now 32.7, as you can see here in the background, okay? It's 32.7 right now. I mean, I'm not going to compare it to Solana. They're very different products. Solana is very much a chain to trade on and has more DeFi than Hyperliquid, but Hyperliquid is becoming the everything app to trade anything worldwide in crypto, stocks, gold, metals, you name it, it has it. So for me, a simple 5x, in my opinion, in the years to come would be very reasonable. And I do think, obviously, you could compound that with a bit of APY staking as well. But as you can see, there's over 436 million Hyperliquid currently staked. All right, now the earn tab up the top here, you can earn, obviously, if you're holding stable coins on the platform, which I am currently. As you can see, they have over $2 million and $3 million currently supplied in the APY. Now, again, a reminder, it's not a lot. Do be aware of the risks when you're validating with the staking, and obviously if you are applying it here as well. But yeah, just showing you that it has obviously a lot of interest. Now, the one worry that you do need to be aware about with Hyperliquid is that it only has 27% of the supply out. So do be aware that the team has unlocks. Okay, early investors will have unlocks. But more recently, they decided to buy more of their token. And as I said earlier, the buybacks of this token from the revenue earned on their platform, which is billions or definitely hundreds of millions of dollars, goes back into the Hyperliquid token. Now, as you can see here, if you come up to the top, you have your portfolio. Again, you can link your staking. You can swap stable coins here. EVM core as well, compatible with your wallets. Okay, portfolio margin, send, withdraw, deposit. It's all in there. As you can see, I've only taken the one trade currently, and I started with, I don't even know, negative 12 because that would have been the position that I opened, and now I'm up, about $240 currently on this trade. But it shows you the fees, okay? You can read the fee schedule here. Again, it's volume dependent, right? So the more volume you do, the cheaper your fees are going to be. Probably the more money you have on the platform, the easier it is to do more volume, and therefore your fees go down. So do be aware of that as well, guys. And as you can see, 0% fees on the staking discount. If you do stake, you obviously get a discount on your fees. So do be aware of that as well. But you can come here and have a look at your balances, your positions, your open orders. Okay, so go take profit and stop loss. Again, the UI of this is just sensational. TWAP, okay, if you want to TWAP into a trade or TWAP out of a trade, your full trade history. Okay, so actually I did activate a Solana trade just to activate the whole platform earlier. Funding history, it'll show you, okay, your fees. Do be aware of that. Okay, if you're opening a leverage position, as you can see, it will be longs pay shorts or shorts pay long, depending on the funding position of the order book at that period of time. Again, if this is all new language to you, we teach you in GTG education, literally down below. Check that out. But yeah, you click across interest, deposits, withdrawals. Again, really simple, really easy. Export as CSV straight to your accountants when you need that for tax time. Amazing product. Now, if you come up more and click points up here, this is your points ecosystem. So as you can see, I've only taken 2 trades, so I have not earned any points on the system. I'm going to be probably looking to farm this in the period ahead. Now, they have obviously had a huge airdrop back in the past when they initially launched. But for me, this still remains one of the best opportunities in crypto, particularly as the volume increases, the active wallets increase, the amount of people signing up to this platform starts to increase. So I will be definitely looking to hopefully get up into higher leagues moving forward to potentially then future airdrops. And they have future airdrops in the system as well. So do a little bit more research about that. Now, up on the top corner, you have your settings bar. Okay, so again, research this yourself, do your own research, use the platform, check it all out. But basically just wanted to show you that's where you can customize the whole layout. Okay, you can skip orders, you can show your orders, you can disable background fill notifications, you can disable sound. Okay, you can hide P&L if that's what you want to do, etc, etc. You can run through this, you can reset it at any time up in the top right corner. So for me, really simple platform, guys. I've already got my Fibonacci's ready to rumble here, taken away my canvas as well with the grid lines. So it just makes it super easy to trade. You're basically trading like TradingView, okay, like most exchanges out there, but it just is all on chain. It's really easy to use, and again, I highly recommend it because you're potentially getting another airdrop in the future by using this platform. So as I said earlier, if you're keen to sign up, guys, the link is down below in the description of this video. Click this link and you'll get 4% discount on all of your fees, okay? Alternatively, you can come to my Twitter page, or my YouTube. It's up in the link there as well. Come to my link tree and just click the button there, and it'll allow you to trade on this chain with 4% discount codes. As always, check out GTG, guys. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to help you out. If you're keen to join GTG straight away, click the WAP link. If you want to learn a little bit more, come to gtg.education, read through some of our member reviews, read through what we do in our ecosystem, educational trades, live analysis, research every week, so much more, okay? All the opportunities there. A few testimonials as well from real people who have been in our community for 2 years, for a year, okay, for 12 months, for 2 years, again, for 18 months from Stingray. So check it all out, guys. It's down in the description below, and hopefully we see you in the GTG community very, very soon. But as always, if you have any questions, guys, let us know down below. I'll be more than happy to help you out, and hopefully you enjoy Hyperliquid into 2026. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.